This is DC Danton Crow Crusader. It's the 29th of December. Okay, Charlie's back. Bryant's visiting with his son and daughter-in-law and grandkids inside the shopping center. I'll join them shortly. Don't really like to set foot in there, but couldn't think of a better place than right now, close to us. Let's see what I do with my keys. Make sure my keys are here. There they are. Let's zip them in this pocket here. Trust people walking by here. You never know. Don't leave your keys in an unlocked car. It's not a good idea. Here's our little gulls. Someone watching again. I guess they know who I am. I don't know what they're up to. Oh God, it just doesn't end. By the way, Mr. Peck, oh, it's a church member. Oh, well, no wonder. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. Oh, the people just keep getting uglier here as we draw to the end of the year. I can only just imagine and anticipate what I'm going to have at the beginning of next year. So, yeah. So we see here this woman in the car there parked at the church. I have no idea what she wants. Anyway, got her on my video. She wants to be on my video. She can be on my video. That's what she wants. So, anyway, let's just enjoy the birds, okay? And enough of these ugly people. Look at these guys right here. Look at, oh, got a fight here. My goodness, look at this fight. My goodness, did you see that fight? Well, I guess the gulls fight too, don't they? So, I guess she's got a camera. There she goes. There she goes. And she's getting the birds. But we don't know what she's up to. She could be good. She could be evil. Okay. For the most part, there's no in between here. So either you like the birds or you hate the birds. Of course, I don't see almost any crows here. Yeah. There's a few right there in the trees over there by Hayfully, but not many. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yeah, 12. That's about it. But we know this morning, what did we have this morning? We had the anti-bird device this morning, didn't we? Yes, we did. So, I think we'll dump along here on the side. I think this is our average group of seagulls right here. And people watching everywhere. I'm a celebrity, hated, but regardless, a celebrity. Okay, well, what we're going to do is that we're going to go down here and we'll put our little bowl of food right here, and I think we'll dump our food right here away so she can see what's going on. I don't know, she's pretending like she's an important person, but I don't think so. I don't think so. Just a person that she knew I would be out here at this time. So we already know that that's bad, right? Now, we'll put this out here. Here's our little nuts here for our crows. Okay? And we'll put this out for our other crows. We'll let them eat that. And I'll put this out for our little crows here. Okay? Put this out. Oh, how I'm looking forward till New Year's Eve. But unfortunately, New Year's Eve is going to be not a happy one for the birds here, right? Because we have fireworks, and evidently they are illegal here. So we'll put this down here for the birds. I don't see Seymour here today. Don't see Seymour, but I forgot to chop up that bread a little bit, but they'll take care of it. There's Seymour. Seymour's going after a ball here. Look at him. Go ahead, Seymour. Get in there. Get in there, Seymour. He's got a grain ball. I think I put 4 or 5 eggs in there, boiled eggs. So he got himself a grain ball. So, well, part of it fell asleep, but he fell apart, but he managed to get it down. There used to be 4 or 5 such silver gulls, but there isn't anymore. Now there's only Seymour and Fen. So, wow, look at little Seymour's throat there. He definitely has something in there. And here's the other unidentified gull. If only we could find out if he's a winter visitor, or if he's a local species here, indigenous to Lake Constance. Oh, there we go. There we got the anti-bird machine. There it goes. Yeah, they just can't, like I say, they just can't help themselves, can they? They just can't help themselves. Yeah, it's really, really awful. So, well, what are you gonna do? Yeah. I don't know how they know them here. I guess where they can hear the birds eating, or in their frenzied state, and then they go out and look, and then they see that the birds are here. Or it's just the timing, right? I have to mix up the timing, but it's so difficult today. We have a bit of crows here accumulating now. Of course, we have this woman watching, which isn't, you know, the crows won't like her over there. There we go. There they go. Yeah. Amazing. Just amazing. I mean, don't these people have anything else better to do? What is their problem? Tell me. It's just amazing. It's just amazing. Okay. Wow. That person waiting over there almost looks like that crazy lady. I better be careful. Oh God. Better not come over here. Well, what was that? Was that an air rifle? That could have been an air rifle. I'm not sure. Could have been an air rifle. Anyway, I have no time to talk to anybody. Okay? And no desire to. I'm going to go in and see, listen to that. Listen to that. It's just incredible. So idiotic. So idiotic. Crazy. Absolutely crazy. This guy is here, stopped, and he went and looked over there like, what in the world is that? Right? What in the world is that? Crazy. Well, I guess this woman here gave up. I guess she gave up, didn't she? Didn't she? Yeah, well, maybe so. Well, I guess we contacted that politician at the Green Party, but they obviously they didn't do anything, did they? Oh, something landed on my head. Something landed on my head. I could have been hit by a seagull. Well, that's perfect for today. So many things went wrong, so it's not surprising. Well, that woman took off, okay? So that tells me she's no good. Anyway, I'm going to see what happened here on my head. I'm not sure what happened. I felt something fall. Well, we won't worry about it right now. It comes with the territory, right? The little seagull makes a little dropping. It's just the way it is. Okay, I'm going to shut down this video.